You pay for health insurance, but when emergencies strike, your policy doesn't cover half of it. Bills go sky high, claims are delayed or rejected, and hospitals charge you more for simply being insured. Now India's government is stepping in. The health insurance system in India is at breaking point and 2025 may be the year of course correction. Let's unpack what's broken and what's coming next. So, what's broken in India's health insurance system? The problem, it's everywhere. Despite government-backed schemes like Ayushman Bharat, nearly 66% of medical expenses are paid out of pocket. That's one of the highest in the world. Health insurance in India covers around 41 crore lives, yet catastrophic illness often leads to death. Premiums are up 13% in 2025, while the growth in policy renewals has slumped from 20% to under 9%. Why? Hospitals overcharge patients with high coverage limits. Fraudulent claims and cost inflation are rampant. Consumers are stuck paying more for policies that protect less. Now, the part 2. What is the National Health Claims Exchange? That is NHCX. Launched in 2023, the National Health Claims Exchange is a digital pipeline designed to simplify insurance claims for hospitals, labs, insurers, and patients. Its goals: cut paperwork, reduce claim processing time, bring real-time transparency into billing and approvals, standardize treatment cost across providers. Right now, most hospital billing is opaque with the NHCX pricing, treatment codes, and claim processes are supposed to be streamlined, but implementation is patchy. Part 3. Why the government wants tighter oversight? The big shift. The government is now looking to bring NHCX under IRDAI and Finance Ministry control. The reason? Hospitals are gaming the system. They inflate costs when they see high insurance patients walk in. Insurers, despite having bulk agreements, lack enforcement power to regulate rates. NHCX in its current form lacks teeth. It's a platform, not a regulator. Meanwhile, medical inflation is hitting households hard. Families are delaying surgeries or borrowing money for basic care. The proposed fix could finally give the regulator authority to cap cost, detect fraud faster, and make pricing uniform nationwide. What it means for you: better oversight, better outcomes, faster claims, no more waiting weeks for your insurer to approve a surgery or discharge, fairer rates. Hospitals won't be able to randomly inflate your bill if you are covered. Premium control. With cost standardized, future hikes could slow down. Smart tips for consumers. Understand your deductible. Don't overpay for add-ons you really use. Top-up plans. Cheaper than upgrading your base policy and often more flexible. Check Ayushman Bharat, Ayushman Vandana, and state-backed options if you are a senior citizen or in a low-income bracket. Tools like Policy Bazaar, NHCX, Sandbox, and hospital rating apps are your new allies. India's health insurance industry is finally being cleaned up, but you still need to read the fine print, ask hard questions, and demand better. Have you ever faced a rejected claim? Or discovered a hidden hospital charge after being told it was cashless? Share your story below. We will feature some of them in our next episode. Like, comment, and subscribe for weekly deep dives that make your finances healthier.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.